Write the expression in radical form. All right, well, what I want to do is I want to get this to the point where it looks like b to the m over n. Because once I can write it out like that, I can rewrite this out as the nth root of b to the m power, right? So what I have right now is I have a negative exponent. Let's deal with that first. Negative exponent means you put it to the other side of the fraction bar. And you might be looking at this guy and saying, oh, there is no fraction bar. Sure there is. Right there. It's invisible 1. So if I move it to the other side of the fraction bar, it's now 5x on the bottom to the positive 1/2. Now, what I could do is I can write out that entire parentheses, because the 1/2 is attached to the parentheses. Over 2 means square root, so square root of 5x. Anything to the first power is useless because it does absolutely nothing. So to the 1/2 power just means square root. My 1 still lives on top. So technically I'm done. And I know some of you are looking at this and saying, oh, but there's a square root on the bottom. I know there's a square root on the bottom, but you know what? I'm going to leave it like this anyway because it doesn't tell us to simplify. It just tells us to write it out in radical form, which technically I did. Whether it's simplified or not, it's not my problem. Not my problem, dog.